So there was once a time when I almost gave up on making music. Not because I didn't love it enough, but because every time I opened a session, I felt like I have to make 1000 decisions before I even started to create something. Hey guys, this is Kunal. I'm founder of Source Audio, and this is my story of how I built Airlift, a plugin that would save my relationship with music. So I started making music when I was 14, and I was a kid in the class with a guitar and a cracked DAW, making beats in his bedroom, writing songs in his classrooms. But then again, years later, I was the one who was producing, mixing, and working with artists and labels across genres and languages in Canada. But then again, everything seems right, but here was the problem. The fun in the music production and the whole journey started to fade away. Every plugin that I would use, every vocal chain that I would make, it felt more like noise. It wasn't about the music anymore. There was no fun left, and that's when it hit me that am I doing something wrong? There was a night in my career, I vividly remember, I was EQing a vocal chain for 4 hours and I ended up deleting everything after the fifth hour. There was no fun, no emotion, no vibe, it was just pure burnt out. And that's where it hit me that okay, there is something wrong. I have to fix it. I don't need more plugins. I need better one and smarter tools which will take my music from point A to point B without that kind of a burnout state that I'm in. So that night became seed for my Airlift plugin, a plugin that doesn't just sound right, it actually makes you feel happy about making music. It lifts off the heaviness of your project and your workflow, and then also helps you to get to the point where it all started. It takes you to the point where everything started and why you started making music. I have built Airlift out of love, frustration, and belief that less is more if it's done right. And this isn't just about Airlift, it's about every artist who has been in a position where he's felt stuck, overwhelmed, and burnt out. I see you and I am you. And through this channel, I'll be sharing my journey as an artist, entrepreneur, and human. We aren't just building plugins, we are building legacy that will elevate artists to create music the way they want without going into the complexities of mixing, production, and feeling overwhelmed. We as an artist have to put out songs in a way where we like making music. We don't want to take away the joy out of it, and that's what Source Audio stands for. If this story resonated with you, drop a comment, and if you're on a similar journey as I was, I would request you to subscribe to the channel and stick around. I'll be sharing lots of insights of what I'm building as an artist and as an entrepreneur, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep making music, but do not let the fun go out of it. Take care.